Hello everyone, welcome to Current Affairs Today. In this video, we are going to discuss the top 15 MCQs of 16th of June 2021. But before we begin, quiz. Which state has become the first state to publish SOP for medical oxygen? Who has been conferred the International Invincible Gold Medal for 2021? Who has won the women's single title at Italian Open 2021? India's first and unique agriculture export facilitation center has been launched in which state? Mycorrhizasis, which is being found in COVID-19 patients, is the largest cases of those who are diabetic of a kind of is a kind of. Which state has imposed a total ban on controversial herbicides glyphosate? Andhra Pradesh government has decided to launch Clean Andhra Pradesh Jagananna Swachh Sankalp on 8th of July to mark the birth anniversary of whom? CBSE Central Board Secondary Education has launched which mobile app to offer counseling for students and parents? Mount Niragongo is erupted recently is located in which country? Who has named 2021 Lawrence Sportsman of the Year? So these were some of the important questions from the month of May. Let's discuss the answers. So which state has become is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh has become the first state to publish SOP for medical oxygen. Who has been conferred internationally invincible gold medal? He is Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, our education minister. Who has won women's single title is Iga Swiatek. Iga Swiatek. In men's, Rafael Nadal. Rafael Nadal has won in men's single title. India's first and unique agriculture exports facilitation center is opened in Pune. Mycorrhizasis is a kind of fungus. Which state has imposed? Is Telangana has imposed. Telangana has banned on controversial herbicides. Andhra Pradesh has launched Clean Andhra Pradesh Jagananna Swachh Sankalp to mark the birth anniversary of late YSR Rajshekar Reddy. YS Rajshekar Reddy. Rajshekar Reddy, who is the father of Jagan Mohan Reddy, is the present Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. CBSE has launched CBSE Dost for Life. This is not necessary. Dost for Life is the mobile app. Dost for Life. Mount Niragongo is located in Congo. Who has named Lawrence Sportsperson of the Year is Rafael Nadal. So these were some of the quiz questions. Now let's discuss our today's current affairs. Who has won the women's single title at French Open? So this has been won by Barbora Kryskova, and she is from Czech. She is from the country Czech, and the capital is Paraguay. So remember this name. And in men's single, who has won? Novak Djokovic. Novak Djokovic has won, and he is from Serbia. Who is the author of the book Beyond Here and Others poem? So this book has been released by the Chief Minister of Odisha, Chief Minister of Odisha has released this book, and the book has been written by Vishnupada Sethi. Vishnupada Sethi has written this book. Let me tell you some of the books. The book 1232, the Long Journey to Home. The Long Journey to Home. This book has been written by Vinod Kapri. Vinod Kapri. And Languages of Truth. Language of Truth. This book has been written by Salman Rushdie. Salman Rushdie. And Nehru, Tibet, China. Nehru, Tibet, China. This book has been written by Avtar Bhasin. Avtar Singh Bhasin. Avtar Singh Bhasin. And next book is Seven Lessons from Everest. Seven Lessons from Everest. This book has been written by Aditya Gupta. Aditya Gupta. And there is one book on Sikkim. There is one book on Sikkim. This book has been written by Preet Mohan Singh. Preet Mohan Singh Malik. Preet Mohan Singh Malik. And recently, you should not forget this name, Nitin Rakesh and Jerry Wind. And Jerry Wind. They have got the International Business Book of the Year award. They have got the International Book Business of the Year award. And for their which book? For their book Transformation in Times of Crisis. In Times of Crisis. So remember these books. Sri Lanka President Gotabaya Rajapaksa has recently inaugurated the Friendship Hospital named Polonnaruwa along with which country? So this is China. So recently Sri Lanka and China, they have launched they have inaugurated the Friendship Hospital, and the name is Polonnaruwa, and Sri Lanka president has launched this. And if you talk about Sri Lanka, who is India's ambassador to Sri Lanka? His name is Gopal Bagle. Very, very important. Gopal Bagle. And if you talk about China, who is India's ambassador? Vikram Mishri. He is India's ambassador to China. So remember these things. Policy Bazaar has received an insurance broking license from which of the following organization? So this is IRDAI. So Policy Bazaar has received an insurance broking license from IRDAI, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India, whose headquarters is in Hyderabad. And who is the chairman? Subhash Chandra Khuntia. SC Khuntia. Subhash Chandra Khuntia. Remember this name, very, very important. And IRDAI's headquarters is in Hyderabad. SEBI headquartered in Mumbai. Don't confuse with SIDBI. SIDBI's headquarters is in Lucknow. The capital of Uttar Pradesh. Padma Shri Awardee and environmentalist Professor Radha Mohan, who passed away recently, was from which state? So he is from Odisha. So remember this. If you talk about Odisha, who is the chief minister? Naveen Patnaik. Who is the governor? Ganeshi Lal. Ganeshi Lal. And what is the capital? Bhubaneswar. And if you talk about Chief Justice, Chief Justice of Odisha High Court, yes, Muralidhar. Yes, Muralidhar. Remember this name. If you talk about Odisha, India's first fire park. India's first fire park has been opened in Odisha. And if you talk more about Odisha, we have Bhatirkanika National Park, Bhatirkanika, Simlipal Biosphere, Simlipal, and there is a Chilka Lake, and second biosphere of Odisha is Mahendragiri. They have proposed Mahendragiri. And recently Mahatma Gandhi has arrived to Odisha in 23rd of March 1921, and they have celebrated the 100th anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi's first ever visit to Odisha. So remember this very important date, 23rd of March. Mahatma Gandhi has arrived first time to Odisha, and recently Odisha government has celebrated this day as 100th anniversary of first ever visit of Mahatma Gandhi ji. And recently they have launched Gopa Bandhu Bima Yojana. Gopa Bandhu Bima Yojana. So remember all these things. And one more, Talcher thermal power plant has been shut down now. Talcher thermal power plant has been shut down, and they celebrate their statute day on 1st of April. And recently in 2021 they have observed their 86th raising day. 86th raising day. Customers will have to pay 21 rupees per transaction if they exceed their monthly limit of free transaction from which date. So the bank will give only 5 free transactions. 5 free transactions. Now if you make 6th transaction, it will going to charge 21 rupees, and this is going to be happen from 1st of January 2022. 1st of January 2022 they are going to charge for the 6th transaction as 21 rupees per transaction. So remember this. Samakka Sagar project built on Godavari river in which state? So this is Telangana. In Telangana they are going to build a project called Samakka Sagar project. If you talk about Telangana, what is the capital of Telangana? Hyderabad. And the 25th High Court is Telangana's High Court, and who is the Chief Justice? Hema Kohli. Who is the Chief Minister? KCR. Who is the Governor? Tamilisai Soundararajan. And recently they have launched their 8th statute day on 2nd of June. They observed their statute day, and it was the 8th statute day. It became the state on 2014, which has been carved out from Andhra Pradesh. Recently Telangana government has used the drones has used drones for the supply of medicine and vaccine, and Flipkart has partnered with this. Flipkart has been partnered with Telangana government to supply the vaccines through drones. One more, Telangana Gramin Bank, and Andhra Pradesh Gramin Bank. Their sponsor bank is State Bank of India. Their sponsor bank is State Bank of India. What they have did recently? They have launched video KYC. They have launched digital video KYC system. So remember this. India and which country have signed an MOU for the cooperation of recruitment of domestic workers? So this is Kuwait. So recently Kuwait has signed MOU with India. If you talk about Kuwait's capital is Kuwait City only. Kuwait City. And very important. Who is India's ambassador to Kuwait? His name is CB George. CB George. Remember his name. Which space agency will launch the Envision mission to explore Venus? So this is ESA, European Space Agency. Space Agency have launched the Envision mission to explore Venus planet. Name the person who has been developed an artificial intelligence Indian classical music app name called Naad Sadhana. So this is Sandeep Ranade, and he is from Pune. Has developed this app, an Indian classical music app. World Wind Day is celebrated on 15th of June. 15th of June we observed as World Wind Day. Who among the following has won the 2021 Penn Winter Prize? So she is from Zimbabwe. And her name is Sitsi Tangrams. It is very difficult to pronounce. So, and she is from Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe's capital is Harare. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Audi? So he is Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli has been appointed as brand ambassador of Audi. And recently, if you know, he is already the brand ambassador of digital insurance. And one more, Vivo. Vivo's ambassador is also Virat Kohli. Now, let me tell you some of the ambassadors. Believe in sports. PV Sindhu is the ambassador for this. And sportswear Asis. Who is ambassador? Ravindra Jadeja. And Puma's ambassador are both Washington Sundar and Devdutt Padikkal. And one more, Techno's ambassador is Ayushmann Khurrana, movie actor Ayushmann Khurrana. And if you talk more about ambassadors, sports change. Who is ambassador? Prithvi Shaw. is the ambassador. And one more, Sonu Sood. Sonu Sood, who is he? Sonu Sood is ambassador for COVID-19 vaccine. For COVID-19 vaccine, and he is from Punjab. He is from Punjab. Okay, one more last. Elista, Suresh Raina. Suresh Raina is the ambassador of Elista. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has recently approved the budgetary support of 498.8 crore for the innovation of defense sector for how many years? For 5 years. This is of 5 years project that the defense minister has approved this budget, that is 498.8 crore for the innovation in defense sector. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh, who has been participated in the Diabetes India World Congress 2021 as a chief guest. So he is none other Jitendra Singh. Jitendra Singh has participated in the Diabetes India World Congress 2021. Union Minister Jitendra Singh. So these were the current affairs of 15th of June. See you on 16th of June.